Leveling surveyors in Sadar Bazar play a crucial role in the construction industry. They are responsible for determining the elevation of different points on a site, which is essential for creating accurate construction plans and ensuring proper drainage. Sadar Bazar, located in Delhi, is a popular market known for its diverse range of products. It is a bustling area with a mix of residential and commercial buildings. The presence of leveling surveyors in this area is vital to ensure that construction projects are carried out efficiently and effectively. Leveling surveyors in Sadar Bazar are skilled professionals who have expertise in using various tools and techniques to measure elevations accurately. They use instruments such as levels, theodolites, and total stations to establish benchmarks and reference points. By measuring the difference in height between these points, they can create a level surface for construction work. This process involves taking multiple readings and calculations to ensure accuracy. Sadar Bazar is known for its vibrant markets, which attract a large number of shoppers every day. The presence of leveling surveyors is crucial in this area to ensure that new construction projects do not disrupt the existing infrastructure. By accurately determining the elevation of new buildings, surveyors can ensure that drainage systems remain functional and that there is no adverse impact on nearby structures. SCON Design, a reputable architectural firm based in Delhi, understands the importance of leveling surveyors in Sadar Bazar. They recognize that accurate elevation measurements are crucial for creating well-designed and structurally sound buildings. SCON Design collaborates with experienced surveyors to ensure that their projects adhere to the highest standards of quality and precision. When undertaking a construction project in Sadar Bazar, it is essential to hire professional leveling surveyors who are familiar with the area. These surveyors will have a deep understanding of the local topography and can accurately determine elevations based on their knowledge and expertise. They will also be aware of any specific challenges or considerations unique to Sadar Bazar, such as nearby water bodies or underground utilities. In conclusion, leveling surveyors in Sadar Bazar play a vital role in ensuring the successful execution of construction projects. Their expertise in accurately measuring elevations helps create level surfaces and maintain the integrity of existing infrastructure. Hiring professional surveyors who are familiar with the area is crucial for achieving high-quality construction outcomes. SCON Design recognizes the importance of collaborating with experienced surveyors to deliver exceptional architectural projects in Sadar Bazar. Leveling surveyors in Sadar Bazar are professionals who play a crucial role in various construction and engineering projects. Sadar Bazar, located in Delhi, is a bustling commercial area known for its diverse marketplaces. With its wide range of shops and businesses, it attracts a large number of customers and visitors every day. As such, there is a constant need for leveling surveyors to ensure that the construction projects in Sadar Bazar are carried out smoothly and efficiently. Leveling surveyors are responsible for measuring and determining the height and elevation of different points on a construction site. They use various tools and equipment to accurately measure the vertical distances between different points, ensuring that all elements